I think it's time we upgrade the lights in the shop because as you can see, they ain't no good. I mean, it ain't even working. So let's get some new hex lights fitted and we'll see what we're saying. To the left. Like I say, like obviously some bedrooms were there on the left, but that other one was just above the reception. Oh yeah, it was above reception.
What was it here?
Here you can see where that thing is across that wall there. Yeah, there was like 3 cubicles where sunbeds used to be.
Oh, was it sunbed shop? Was it?
There was sunbeds and it was a barber's as well. Oh. So the barber chairs were on the right, and then on the left there was sunbeds. So, but it was just that fan was inside of a room. This one was still outside, but I don't understand why they were here.
Oh, they were already in when you bought it?
Yeah. They were already there, like on the left. I hated it as well. You know, with them directly above a chair. Because in my head I'm thinking, if that falls and lands on someone, I mean, it's going to be too low. The good thing is though, they're adjustable, isn't they?
Yeah, they will be, yeah. It's about there, something might take it, we're trying to lower. Hang it at a metre, I think you'd just be able to push the cords through and we'll just lift it.
Because it's them type of thingy. But I think the main thing, being outside,
you want to see
and being able to seal, that would be sick.
There's a mop in it.
I didn't got one. Yeah, definitely making that floor worse.
And then the next one will go here, and that will go across there.
Miles away from the fans, because that was my main thing. I was worried about it being too close to the fans. Obviously you can't sit at that, it needs to be higher.
Yeah.
I mean, if you're 6 foot, you're going to go in your head. I mean, how high is it worth going off the height of where the top of the window is?
Yeah, potentially.
Do you know what I'm saying? That could be a good guideline.
So we're going to want our that to be the feed because we'll come off that. So if I swap that for that,
Yeah.
and I'll connect it onto that temporarily and we'll get it on. See what it looks like and then we'll choose a height, yeah?
Yeah, sick.
Strip the brake off because it says it wants to be on a 10 amp. One more way to find out.
Oh, mate,
That's bright.
that is sick. Did you see him just walking past then? He was like, yo, that's wall bright.
That's loads better.
It makes it look bigger in here, doesn't it? I reckon that's the thing though, isn't it? Like, you know when you put in brighter lights in places, it makes it look a lot thinner. Mate, that is sick. Let's see what it looks like from outside. Bad. It's a nice warm white, isn't it?
Yeah.
Mate.
Let's lift it then.
You know what? If we turn them off, get the lasers set to a thing, is that going to be the best way of doing it? Or do we do floor to ceiling tape measure?
Bit of a droop there. I won't be going to see it when it's lifted. Can you see it from down there?
No. Can't see it at all.
Don't want it to sag over time. I guess if it does, keep them. If it does, we'll have to put some more in.
I can't see anything like any. The problem is with that, you can't do anything with that.
No, because the fans there.
The fans are
There you
anywhere.
go.
You've done everything around it. I mean, the only way you could. I mean, even here's going to be tight. There's not really much you
I
can
don't think it needs it. I don't know. I mean, over time, is it going to come down? That's the thing. I don't know why it would.
No.
Yeah, that's sound. If it's 300 mil, you still roll it over fan.
This is actually mad. I can't get over how good it looks. I know it looks sick, but you know, it's just.
Yeah. Looks good as well with black and white theme in it, don't it?
Yeah, sick.
Right, so I just start setting these at
Yeah,
700 is 300 mil. Right, I'll show you. So, top of my tape measure there.
Yeah, stop that.
Yeah?
Yeah, stop that. See how we go there.
So that leaves you about 200 mil below that. So.
That's what it looks like from out here. To do it, we've slowed it down.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I'll show you that. Well, that's just on the low. We'll see what this speed looks at. I'll try medium.
It's only swayed a bit because I've touched it, I think.
Yeah. Right, as you can see, the lights look mental. So we're going to get the shop cleaned up, everything back together, and we'll do some cool shots with that as well. But yeah, really happy with it. Absolutely insane. Let's get this floor sorted out. I completely forgot to mention price. They cost around £600 lights, extender kit. You've obviously got your electrician's day rate, additional things like trunking, a few spare cables to extend. Yeah, that's how much it costs. The shop is relatively clean and I'm really happy with the results of this. This is insane. This. I don't know how well the camera's going to pick this up, but absolutely incredible. I've got the box here with all the spare parts still. I just thought it'd be handy to keep a few of these just in case I want to change anything. We've got a spare bar there too. Here is the company that I used. I just ordered straight offline and it literally came within like a couple of days. So yeah, really impressed. I brought the extender kit, which brings it down 1 meter, and then we brought it up by about 300 or 400 mil, just so we're sitting below the ceiling fans. And it's the perfect height to see it from outside of the shop, which is the idea of it. The idea is we want to brighten up inside of here to draw people inside, especially at this time of year, with it getting darker outside as well. We want to really be bright, real bright. We don't want any dark spots in the shop. I mean, these are not really doing a lot anymore. The cleaners are going to be so angry with me tomorrow because it's state of the floor from drilling in the ceiling. But I'm keen to see what it looks like from the outside when it's dark. We'll see what's going on.